What's up, guys? And this is Sean from Srkcycles, and I'm answering the common questions that new riders ask. And one common question, it's not really a question, but here's kind of a statement from me. Don't lie to me as a guy that sells motorcycles. Don't lie to me about your motorcycle riding abilities to try to test drive a motorcycle. If you don't know how to ride a motorcycle, do not be test driving someone else's motorcycle. It's a liability. It's an issue. You can get hurt. And you're probably riding a bike that's way too bigger than what you should be riding, or the fact that you're riding any bike. Here's an example. I had a guy come up to me, and he assured me he knew how to ride a bike. He's like, I want to buy this bike, but I got to ride it first. He assured me he knew how to ride a bike, and I was like, all right, so we went to a parking lot. I gave him the key. He put the key in the ignition on the front of the bike, turned the key, and then tried to turn the key more, and looked at me, and he's like, this bike's not starting. At that point, I was like, get off the bike. You clearly have no idea what you're doing. Don't lie to me about your riding abilities. Anyone who knows anything about motorcycles know that there's never been a motorcycle where you turn the key to turn the motorcycle on. You turn the key for the ignition on. The start button and the run button are on your right side that you grab with your thumb. Do not lie to the guy and try to tell him you're riding a motorcycle. Here's another thing. Do not try to impress people and say that you are better riding than what you are. Motorcycles are dangerous. You need to have a very healthy fear of the motorcycle. Learn on a little small bike, learn the mechanics, and then work your way up. Don't try to impress anybody. I've seen a lot of people wreck bikes right in front of me who had no idea what they were doing, but we're trying to impress someone. No one's impressed when you're laying on the side of the ground with a bike laying on your leg, bleeding on the asphalt. We'll see you guys later. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe.